missing someone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do a little bit of a parcel unpacking because I've been saving up my parcels for the last week to kind of show you guys what is in the works for me as an influencer. So I've been really pushing my Instagram and my TikTok recently, and that is kind of why I haven't been on YouTube as much because TikTok kind of has taken over a little bit. However, I thought doing a little bit more of a long video and kind of checking in with everyone, unpacking my parcels and showing you in a little bit more detail what I've received this week would be really exciting for you guys. First thing that I wanted to show you guys was an AGORA package. Now, I have never bought from AGORA before. Basically, my friends kind of got a package for them and told me about them. And they're meant to be really good for different makeup brands, skin products, and getting things on the cheap. So I thought I'd give them an order. So I got the skincare July mystery box, which is what she got. So yeah, let's open this up and see what is inside. So this is what the AGORA box looks like. How exciting! I can't wait to open it. So the first thing that we've got in here is a rejuvenating sheet mask. We then got the Q&A Vitamin Ace Warming Gel Mask. Now I'm mostly excited to try this. The next thing I received is a Brushworks Spa Gel Eye Mask, which is very nice. I can't wait to put it in my freezer, especially with the hot weather at the moment. I don't know about anyone else, but the UK is like 30 degrees at the moment. It's been too hot today, so I can't wait to put that on in bed tonight. And the last thing I got was a Jade HD roller from Brushworks again. This is actually really cute and I can't wait to use this. It looks very nifty and very green. I don't know what to say about it, to be honest, because I've already got one of these from Shein, but this looks a lot more stable and a lot more, I suppose, efficient. But I'm very excited to use it and try it out with my oils and things like that. So the next thing that I went out and bought was an ASOS order. Now I saw these on a TikToker. I think I watched a video and she was in a hair salon, and I commented, what shoes are you wearing? Because they just stood out so much to me and looked so cool. And they were the Converse, I think it was the Hike, I'll have a look in a second, the Hike trend trainers. But I literally went on ASOS straight away and got those. So I used ClearPay as well, so I broke it up into four monthly installments of £16, which was actually not that bad. They were on sale, so it worked out even better for me in the long run. I love like the smell of new shoes. I don't know about anyone else, but oh my gosh, how nice are those? Oh, I love them. They are a size 7.5, so I'm originally size 8. I'm quite big footed, but I am very excited to try these. These look very nifty and cool. And they were only £60. Where can you go wrong? The last thing that I wanted to show you guys was a box from 𝐷. So I basically won a competition on Instagram with them, and I thought I'd just kind of show you what I got in the box and how kind of cool the stuff is. I mean, it's a little bit of alcohol, a inflatable flamingo and something else, but it's pretty cool. So I thought I'd just do a little bit of an unboxing with that as well. When I say this parcel is massive, I mean it is literally massive. So the first thing that I got is 2 bucket hats, because why not? We're going to Cornwall very soon and I can't wait to take this with me. I think it's going to be very nifty for the beach, and I got 2 of them, which is, why not? I then got an inflatable flamingo, which will also take to the beach with me. Next thing I received was a 𝐷 picture jug. Now I am going to university in September and I cannot wait to take this with me. How cool is that going to be in the halls and going out? I just think this is going to be taken everywhere with me. I then received 2 Love Island Love It cushions. I suppose these can be taken on the beach. They're quite comfy actually, and I'm quite excited to use them and putting them outside. But thank you so much for sending me these, 𝐷. I'm really excited to use them. The next thing I got was an ice bucket filled with alcohol. These are the 𝐷, I can't remember what, pink gin 𝐷, so I'm very excited to have some of those. The ice bucket is also very chic. Don't know if you can see that. Tonics bucket list. Squad serve. Love it. I then received 2 bottle openers. These are actually quite nifty and I think are quite durable. I don't think these are going to break like the ones I have already. I think these are definitely going to university with me. And the last thing I received was 2 Love Island 𝐷 glasses. So that is it pretty much for the haul. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was only a few little bits and bobs, but I thought I might as well pop on and kind of open them in front of you guys. Thank you so much for WKD for sending me this parcel out, and also Agora. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and also follow my other socials, my TikTok and my Instagram. And I will see you very soon. Bye!